Hello student, today we have to take the some important questions from the area related to circle, class 10 mathematics. So question is, from any corner of a rectangle, this is a rectangle, a horse tied up a rope of 7 centimeter. And after some time its rope is increased by 7 centimeter, means 7 more, that means this is 7, this is 14 meter. If this whole is a grassy land, so how many grass it will be increased can be grazed? Means you want to find the area of this part. So radius 7 meter, in the big radius 14 meter, angle 90. If theta 90, so you can directly use the area of quadrant. If you not use quadrant, you have to use the sector. So increased area, that is outer sector area minus inner sector area. Here theta upon 360, pi is common, r square minus r square. In this chapter means mensuration, if you understand forming a formula, how we form the formulas, so it can be easy to solve the question. 90 upon 360, 22 by 7, 14 square minus 7 square, that is 1 by 4, 22 by 7. It can be choice 14 plus 7 and 14 minus 7. 11 by 7, 21 into 7, 7 cancel, 11 to 22 plus 2 is 23, 231 area increased by horse, area of grass increased by horse which can be grazed, that means the shaded region. Okay, pause video and note down. We want to find the area of shaded region. In this figure there is a scalene triangle, have each corners have the form a equal sector of radii 7 centimeter. So you know the formula to find the sector? Theta upon 360 pi r square, but here theta is not given, so don't be upset or any types of demoralized. If in examination you don't know what I do, I have no idea how we solve it, so please don't give up. Don't give up. We think that okay, that's okay, if you not solve this question, nothing. But if the question is 3 marks question, so if in my mind I am not able to solve this question of 3 marks, so we have to try to solve this question for 1 marks or 2 marks, because sector we know that's a sector form. So step marking, area of shaded region, area of sector first plus area of sector second plus area of sector third. Don't think in your mind that these 3 angles are equal, because soft given scalene triangle means angle is not equal to 60 degree. So don't put 60 degree angle. Put the formula theta 1 by 360 pi r square, theta 2 by 360 pi r square, theta 3 by 360 pi r square. If you have to find the separate area for each sector and then add up, so you can't able to solve it. But you form the formula area of serial addition, sum of all three sectors. So you have to first sector, second sector, and third sector. Then we have to take in radius is same for all. So r, but theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Here pi r square upon 360 is common in all. Theta 1, theta 2, and theta 3. Pi 22 upon 7. Radius is 7. 360 is same. And you know that is 180 degree. Why? Theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 is equal to 180 degree. Sum of interior angle of triangle. Means we only try to solve the step marking for 1-2 marks, but when we try to solve it, we solve it. So that's our mind for you. Okay, don't give up. Try. That is 2 times 7, 11, 77 centimeters square is the area of shaded region in this figure. Okay. Pause the video, note down. Let's see the question. In the given figure, this whole is 10, this is 3, this is 7, all in centimeter. Okay, that is P A S R Q. Here is the shaded region. PSR, PT, RTQ, PAQ are the three semicircles of diameter 10. Big diameter 10 centimeter. This diameter 7 and this diameter is 3. 3 semicircles. D1 10 centimeter, D2 7 centimeter, and D3 3 centimeter. So R1, R2, and R3 you can find 10, 7 by 2, and 3 by 2 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the shaded region and also find the area. We want to find the area of shaded region and also find the perimeter of shaded region. First we want to perimeter. Perimeter of shaded region. If we start from this point, so this is the PSR arc. Suppose that the name T. RTQ arc, and this QAP arc. If you find the sum of these 3 arcs, you get the perimeter of the shaded region. Perimeter means to close. We start from P and again we come to P. PSR is the semicircle of the big. Means pi R1. This is pi R3, pi R2. Pi is common. R1 is 5. R3 is 3 by 2. 7 by 2. Pi taken common. 22 by 7. Pi value is given 3.14. So you can input. Taking the LCM, 10 plus 3 plus 7. 3.14 into 20 by 2, that is 10. 31.4 centimeter is the perimeter of the shaded region. Without any problem, we can find the shade perimeter. When you find the area, this the perimeter, so close part, area. That's a very good for you area means you have to see the logic, what parts is include and which are not include. If I say this the big semicircle, and from this big semicircle this part is not included, so what we write here? Area of semicircle PSR minus area of semicircle PAQ means this part minus this part, so you get this part, but this is also shaded. Then add area of semicircle QTR. Put the formula. Semicircle pi r1 square by 2 first semicircle. This is the minus second semicircle pi r2 square by 2 plus add this semicircle separately pi r3 square by 2. Pi by 2 is common, r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square. We have to make the formula for the area of shaded region. Then put the value 3.14 upon 2. R1 means 5 square, 7 by 2 whole square, 3 by 2 whole square, sorry this is the minus sign, big bracket, that is 1.57. 25 minus 49 by 4, 9 by 4, taking the LCM 1.57, 4 LCM 100 minus 49 plus 9 so this is minus 40 and this 60, so 1.57 into 60 by 4, so you get 1.57 into 15, so 15 7s are 505, 10, 75, 85, 8, 23, 23.55 centimeter square is the area of shaded region. If you have to see the solution, that's I try to explain you how we solve the question with in simplest form without so many multiplication or division. Because addition subtraction is easy in the board examination, but multiplication of decimals or the big numbers is very hard and the time wasting. So you have to solve the question by trick, taking common and separate them. Necessary conditions you have to cut and the join them. Pause the video, not done. See this question. Here is a square ABCD of side 14 centimeter. We want to find the area of shaded region, this part. These have so many concepts to find the area. If these parts area or the leaves area, they all are different. We explain the 2 points here. First we find according to figure. If I say one, 2, 3, 4. So this part is 1 or 3. See the figure. Now say I am only break the figure. You have to see this line and this line 1 and 3. Means only operate the figure for understanding the how we make the formula to find the shaded region. We only the operate means divide the figure. Means if I say area of 1 and 3 part, your examination you also use these types. Okay, 1 and 3 part, that is area of square minus 2 into area of semicircle. Means from this square, if you subtract these two semicircle, you get the area of 1 and 2 part. So square 14 square. Semicircle pi r square by 2. A 14, so radius 14 by 2. This is 14. So this is the diameter. So the radius is 7. 2 cancel. 196 minus 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 cancel. 196 minus 154. 2, 5, 52. Sorry, 42. 42 centimeter square is the area of 1 and 2. So, area of shaded region is equal to area of 1, 2, 3 and 4th. If I say 1, 3 is equal to 2 and 4, so you can put 42 plus 42, 84 centimeter square is the area of shaded region. Don't be shocked. We have to solve all the questions. If you use in the examination, you have to get full marks. Only we bracket. If you use mind and concept, so you have to solve the big question in easy steps. Now we say, find the area of unshaded part. Mean that is leaf. This part. This part. So 196 minus 84, 112 centimeter square. Means from the whole area subtract the shaded part. Whole area means area of square. You get also leaf area. That is the area of leaf. That is 112. Okay. Pause the video and note down. See this figure. We can't have here because we explain the compare between these two figures. We want to find the area of shaded region. This leaf ABCD is a square of 7 centimeter side. Find the area of this. If we make this figure operate, डॉक्टर बनने की इच्छा थी, ऑपरेशन करना सीख गया हूं, काटते हैं, काटा जाए फिगर, काट दिया A B C D. तो this line is this, and if I say AC is the diagonal, so this part is this. What is this part? This is the segment. This is the segment. And if I say this leaf is the combination of two equal segments, one is from upward, one is from downward, this is the separate line AC. So if I say area of shaded region is equal to 2 into area of segment. So are you agree? Theta upon 360 pi r square 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. One segment and double, you get this. Then find the values. Theta 90, radius 7. Put all the values 2. 90 by 360, 22 by 7, 7 into 7 minus 1 upon 2, 7 into 7 into sine 90. (77 by 2 minus 49 by 2 because sin 90 is 1. 2, 8, 2. 28 centimeter square is the area of leaf. Here, area of leaf we can find the using of various segment. Then we come in this figure again. If you divide this figure from this and this, so this one part, can you say this and this are the same? 7, 14 whole 7, 7 leaves shaded. In previous question you have to find the area of all 4 leaf, you get 112 centimeter square. Here 4 leaf divided by 4, you get 28 centimeter square is the area of 1 leaf. 28, 28, 28, 28, same here. What you observe? Means you have to two concept to find the area of leaves or the shaded region. That's your mind in examination what types of you have to use to solve the question. Pause video, note down.